2004 Arctic Cat 500. This is where the air filter is and how you change it. So the first thing you're gonna do is over here, there's a little lever. You gotta kind of push this little lever. Push that and it releases the seat. Once the seat comes off, you're gonna find your air box, which is the black box in front of you. It's right here. Next you're gonna do is you got the little clippies. Just take and undo those. Pull this off. Undo this one, and then undo this one. Get them up over the little lips. And then you're gonna pull your breather hose out, or your breather box part. This is your air filter. Mine has a flathead that you're gonna need. Most of them do. If yours does not have a flathead, then you might need a Phillips head, or it might be some other kind of contraption. Anyways, so it's gonna be, just undo this. And then once this collar is a little bit loose, you can take and you can just wiggle. Oh, didn't get it loose enough. So once you get this collar loosened up a little bit, oh, there we go. It should just wiggle right off. There you go. Pop it up, and then you're gonna take. I'm not replacing mine right now. You're taking. You're gonna put the new one back on, and push it up over the lip of the part sticking out, and then you're gonna take and you're just gonna screw this back up until it's tight. Make sure this is all straight and it's snug on there. Screw it until it's too tight. You don't need to over tighten it, just enough so that when you're riding it doesn't bounce off. You're gonna tighten it up. And once it's tight, just give it a little shake, make sure it doesn't come off. And then you're gonna take and you're gonna put your breather back on. Kind of just sits on there. Make sure all your little metal clips are out of the way. Just sits back on. Then the metal clips go up and over, up and over, up and over. Hope that wouldn't go up and, sorry, it's a little bit hard with one hand. Up and over. So I had to get those last two with my hands. And then you're just gonna take and put your seat back on, and then it'll latch down. It's got these little pegs that'll go down to it. Make sure you hear a pop. Once it's done, you're good to go. If you have any questions, let me know.